diving into the secrets of the keto diet and challenging myself to stick to it for a whole month. Let's see if I can transform my body and mind. The keto diet has taken the world by storm, with many people raving about its incredible benefits for weight loss and overall health. From mental clarity to sustained energy levels, it's no wonder so many are giving it a try. But what exactly is the keto diet, and how does it work its magic? One of the biggest misconceptions about the keto diet is that it's all about cutting out carbs completely. While it's true that reducing carb intake is crucial, it's not just about eliminating bread and pasta. People often struggle with carb cravings, especially in the early stages, and it's essential to have a solid plan in place to overcome these challenges. I've seen many friends try the keto diet, only to give up because they felt overwhelmed by the restrictions. Another challenge people face is confusion about food choices. What can you eat on the keto diet, and what should you avoid? With so many conflicting opinions out there, it's easy to feel lost. For instance, some people think that all fats are created equal, when in fact, the quality of your fats can make a huge difference in your progress. Understanding what to eat and what to avoid is just the beginning. To truly succeed on the keto diet, you need to know how to transition into ketosis effectively. This means being mindful of your macronutrient ratios, staying hydrated, and being patient with your body as it adapts. Some people dive into the diet without properly preparing themselves, which can lead to a rough start. So, what are the key components of the keto diet? First and foremost, you need to focus on high-quality fats, such as avocado, nuts, and olive oil. Protein is also essential, but in moderation. And then there are the carbs. You want to focus on low-carb veggies and avoid anything high in sugar or starch. As you start your keto journey, there are a few secrets that can help accelerate your results. Tracking your macros is crucial, as it helps you stay on top of your fat, protein, and carb intake. Electrolytes also play a vital role, especially in the early stages, as they can help reduce fatigue and cramping. And let's not forget about meal prepping. Having a solid plan in place can make all the difference in your success. Meal prepping can be a game changer, as it helps you stay on track and avoid last-minute temptations. By planning your meals, you can ensure that you're getting the right balance of macros and staying within your carb limit. In conclusion, the keto diet is a powerful tool for weight loss and overall health, but it requires a solid understanding of its key components and challenges. By being mindful of your food choices, tracking your macros, and staying patient, you can unlock the full potential of the keto diet. If you've had any experience with the keto diet, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about meal planning for the keto diet, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing some of my favorite recipes and tips.